It's cold.
Bundled up here for Redcrest. Time to go. No snow on the ground. Fishing should be good.
Practice day, right?
Practice day. One practice day. Competition starts tomorrow. So this week is going to be behind the scenes.
Early morning.
So yeah, we'll show you fish catches and all that, but this is kind of what goes on when we're at a tournament, when we're fishing, but not necessarily the fishing part of it. This is everything else that goes on in an event, which there's a lot that goes on, and without her, there's no way I could do everything that I do.
Yeah, so we'll do a different video later this week that's kind of a tournament recap with techniques and tips and all that jazz. But this week, we're going to show you on our family vlog kind of what we do at the tournament, behind the scenes, the launches, the takeouts, and kind of just all the
roughing it in a cabin, not our camper. So
anyway, but yeah, so this is behind the scenes at Redcrest, our first event in 2021.
All righty. Sure. No, we're good. I'm just going to ramble on. Going live is rambling on. So. Okay. Well, good morning from Redcrest 2021. We're here at Lake Eufaula.
First thing we have the whole morning is Chapman Family Presented, boat number 1. Casting Pro from Chapman, boat number 2. Representing Berkeley ARE, MOF angler Adrian Venus, boat 3.
No scoreable bass. Andy Montgomery third, caught 11 pounds 6 ounces a day, 29 pounds 15 ounces. Zach Merge.
There we go. Wow, look at that. We caught a sick one yesterday. That is not what you call a pretty bass. But we'll put him on there. I don't think he's going to make it.
Non-scoreable, 1 pound, 12 ounces.
112, closer than I thought.
All right, Brent's in. Time to get him out of the water.
Get him, Bobby, if you want to hang tight. All right, Bobby, got him.
Thank you, TJ. Did you guys have a good day?
We had a great day.
I'm glad. Thank you for hanging out with him all day.
I'm going to hang out with him again tomorrow.
How was your day?
What? Today was awesome. Considering I had one scoreable bass yesterday and really didn't have a clue. Sometimes that's a good thing. You just gamble, and today I gambled and won. So looking forward to tomorrow.
All right, let's go do our tackle.
No, let's go get gas.
Let's go.
All right, we just got back. This is the time to get tackle done, but the other time, this is social media time to do videos and all that. We got Mikey and Amanda here to help out, so getting ready to start a
Dynamic
Facebook
duo.
Live. And so we'll do a little social media and we'll get our tackle done, and then it'll be time to hopefully rest a little bit and get ready for tomorrow. So, and I guess, are we live? We're live. So you tuned in this morning, you knew that I had a tough practice, and I really did not know how today was going to go. I literally had 2 bites yesterday. I had 1 scoreable bass and 1 short fish.
All right, day 1 of the tournament. We're at our first tournament of the year, and we are not in our camper, which that's a bummer.
Definitely out of our element here.
Yeah, we missed the camper already, but that's all right. Brent had a really good day on the water today, and especially because he didn't have a great practice.
No, I had a terrible, we had 1 day of practice. I had a terrible day. I caught 1 scoreable bass yesterday and 1 other small fish, and I knew I needed to make a change. So
so after a long day on the water for day 1, which everybody fishes the first 2 days, so we usually come in and he gives me about 8,000 things to unload out of the boat to take inside. So I'm gonna start unloading and cleaning it, and he's gonna start working on his tackle.
yeah, it's time to get my tackle done. The sun is going down quickly, so I need to get it done before the sun sets, hopefully.
Yeah, so he's gonna get to work on tackle. I'm gonna unload all of the trash and debris out of the boat and refocus for tomorrow.
And get the cooler restocked, all that good stuff tonight. So
All right.
try to get everything done the night before, so in the morning all you have to think about is fishing. So in between each competition day, I love to just have everything dialed in and you know, give me the best chance of success and have every variable covered that I could possibly think of. So that's what we're doing. Might be a lot of rods here that I don't even use, but at least I have them rigged up and ready to go just in case. And when you get, especially in a tough tournament like this where things are changing so much, you know, anything and everything that I can possibly think of, I'm still kind of in a pre-fishing mode and scouting mode. So you know, last thing you want to do is get out there and not have something that that you need for a particular situation. So that's what we're doing. We're getting everything dialed in and ready for the next day.
They call Brent the Boy Scout out here on tour because he's always prepared.
Prepared for anything.
That's right. I know. This is why Brent always complains about having to stare at the sun for the cameraman, I guess.
Yes,
I don't know.
staring at the sun is tough, and it makes you squint.
My eyes are watering, but I'm glad to see the sunshine though. So.
Yes.
All right. So good luck to Brent today.
Yes, thank you. Today is day 2. We're really looking forward to it. Today I'm sitting right where I want to sit, where you've got a little bit of a cushion. I get to go expand on what I found. Didn't find anything in practice, so it made me gamble yesterday, and the gamble paid off, and had a really good day, and we're hoping to expand on it today and make it into the knockout round, and then hopefully make it to the championship. So it's been a fun event so far. It's a beautiful day today, so going to go out, have some fun, and move up that leaderboard.
That's right. Go get him.
Watch it go. Better you than me.
Brent Chapman going out in 4th place this morning.
But like I said, most of the day I was just running, trying to find those key areas. But I've got a pattern that's working up there. I mean,
Getting ready to start day 2 with his official and cameraman.
Yeah, pull on up there, so.
I've been chasing my tail all afternoon.
No, I'm pushing it the wrong way. There we go. Do you want some help getting that?
I got it.
Somebody looks tired.